keynotes of the Hive card featured in the Emergence Oracle include service and contribution, sweetness, teamwork, synergy, emergence, and be who you are. The Hive is representative of harmonious industry, working together towards a common vision in contribution and in service of life. The Hive works as an emergent intelligence, a living system, with each individual bee playing an important role in serving a whole that functions at a capacity for creating sweetness and nourishment beyond the ability of any one individual. The Hive invites us to consider the role our individual self plays in relation to the world around us, our community, this planet, and beyond. To orient ourselves from within, Bee invites us to consider, how might our heart's deepest longing be the light that guides each of us home? What if every person we met was somehow in contribution to this longing, and we in turn were also somehow in support of theirs? What if somehow each of our individual visions was serving an emergence of something far greater, sweeter, and more nourishing for the whole of this planet than we could possibly imagine? As you play with holding these questions in your consciousness, pay close attention to the kinds of conversations, situations, and synchronicities that are reflected back to you as a result.